Okay, you guys, so I am back again, and yes, I still have on the same shirt as my last video because I'm filming this video on the same day. And I decided, face beat, let's make a video. Let's make another one. Because as much as I hate doing my makeup, I might as well just suck it up and get it done. So I'm very excited to actually do this video because it's going back to a previous video I did before, which was on my boyfriend installs my synthetic wig. And the wig I'm going to be showing you guys again today is the braided wig from CossWigs. So before I get started, I'm just going to show you guys what the wig looks like. I did have to go in and wash around the front of the wig, around the lace front, because it had some makeup on it from last time. But this is how the wig looks now, you guys. It is a little bit frizzy. Some of the hair is coming out of the braid, but in the inside it has 3 combs. So there's 2 right here on the side and the one in the middle, and just adjustable straps in the back. Now what I wish this wig had was a comb in the back, and take that comb in the front, in the middle, and put that thing in the back, because now that my hair are in twists, it's a little bit difficult to actually get it on there all the way. So that's the only thing about this wig. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and put the wig on, and then I'm going to show you guys how it looks without the braids and all of that, what it looks like with the braids, and just, yeah, let's just get into it. So I have applied the wig. I didn't do any baby hairs or anything. I just did my little, you know, swoop-de-doop right here on the top. And this is how the part is. The part goes all the way in the middle to the back, and it is pretty much pre-plucked, and these little baby hairs and stuff came with the wig. They were longer, but of course we cut it in the first video, so this is how it is. I'm scared to show you the back because the kitchen is cooking. We're cooking in the kitchen back here, but we're gonna do it anyway, just so you guys can get a good look at the part throughout the whole wig. So I'm just gonna turn around and don't judge me. Ooh. Okay, so this is how the back looks, you guys. I don't know if y'all can see it because I really can't even. It's right here, so you see the part and then the braid. So yeah, it looks really nice, pretty natural. Nothing much you really would have to do to this wig but just shape up the little hairs on the side. Again, if you guys watched Game of Thrones, I haven't yet, so don't kill me. That's what I got on this hair right here. We're gonna do the reveal, you guys, and show y'all what it looks like without these braids. So
let's go ahead and start taking down the piggy pigtails.
Okay, I'm nervous. So I'm taking these little, oh God. What if this looks like really good, like some cramps or something? Oh, that'd be so cute. Oh, the hair is so soft.
Uh-oh.
There we go. Okay. That scared me a little. Oh my God. Y'all, this hair, so pretty. I mentioned all the details in the first video, but I'm just gonna reiterate that this hair is thick. Even in the pigtails, it was thick. And that's why it's tangling a little bit down here at the bottom. Wow, look at this. It's cute. It's still a little bit wet from when I had to wash the lace in the front, but it's still so pretty. Look at it. Look at that. Oh, wow. Combing this out right here in the front to get it to blend. Comb all of that. Oh, that's pretty. That's pretty. That's it right there. Nice little wave pattern to it. Ooh. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this other side down and blow dry this wet spot. I'm pretty sure it's over here as well. And then we're gonna give you guys the full things, okay? Oh, she's it. She did not come to play with me, and I respect her for that, okay? Oh, I can do like a little mermaid photo shoot with this hair. Like, I could see it, how it would look wet.
Ooh, stay hydrated, folks.
Okay, you guys, so this is she, this is her, and this is how this hair looks outside of the braids, and it looks so gorgeous. So I don't know, this hair is giving me very much giving me mermaid. Like, it's giving everything, and I love it. Just cut a little bit of layers in it, do the rest of the baby hairs, like, and just slay it. Oh, this is it. Oh yeah. I don't want to straighten it. I know somebody's gonna be like, what does it look like straight? I don't want to straighten it right now. Maybe in the future, depending on what I end up doing with this wig, then I'll straighten it. Again, this hair is really thick, y'all, so as it being summer hair, like out and about, that's up to y'all. If y'all like thick hair like this, just make sure whatever you do, don't run your hands through it while you're in public, because you might get caught. Okay, so I don't know where this video decided to cut off at, But what I'm going to do now is go ahead and start styling this wig into different hairstyles. And if you guys can notice, I got some gold teeth in. Just add a little spice to it, you know, so ignore it if you don't like it. I do, so that's all that should matter, right? Okay. So I'm just going to do this hair into different hairstyles and let you guys see what you can do with it. Because I'm going to do different hairstyles because the part does not blend in the back. So the part does not blend in. I've tried it. Maybe some hairspray or something could get it to blend in, but it doesn't. So we're gonna do some little hairstyles, and then yeah, you guys decide whether you want to get this wig or not. Yo, this style reminds me of b.a.p.s. Y'all, if y'all have ever seen that movie, this little hairstyle on top of my head, it looks like b.a.p.s. And I got the teeth in too. Honey. So that's pretty much all the hairstyles I can really think of right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below what you guys think about this hair, or whatever you want to comment. Let's chat, let's talk it up. Go ahead and like this video if you haven't yet. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.